said Aimerics once made songs about a brothel woman and gave himself joy from it. And now I hear that in a washerwoman he has put his heart and all his hope. For this is what happens to a man who is too godly. His affairs turn from up to down when old age breaks him and knocks him off balance. Bread fails him, and wine, and a seat, and a house with her. If she lies down with him and he puts himself down and embraces her wrinkled skin through the rags, and embraces. Said Aimerics, the washerwoman, the brothel woman was better.